In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Notion calendar recurring events. We'll walk through a simple workflow that lets you reuse the same event setup over and over without rebuilding it from scratch each time. This is especially useful for things like weekly meetings, regular workouts, content planning, or any task that repeats on a schedule. First, open the Notion database where you want to manage your recurring events. Make sure it's a database, not just a regular page, because we'll be changing the layout into a calendar. At the top right of your database view, look for the Settings or View Options icon. It usually looks like a small drop-down or 3 dots depending on your setup. Click on that icon to open the View Settings panel. Inside this panel, find the section labeled Layout. This is where you can control how your database is displayed. Click on Layout and you'll see several options like Table, List, Board, and so on. From these, select Calendar. As soon as you choose Calendar, your database will switch into a calendar view, and any items with dates will show up in the correct places. Now, let's create a template that will act like your recurring event. Go to the top of your calendar view and click on the New button. Instead of just creating a single new event, look for an option to add a template, often shown as a plus template, or something similar. Click that. This opens up a template editor which you can use as a base for all repeated events. Inside the template, add a date property if your database doesn't already have one. This is crucial because the calendar relies on this property to place events on specific days. Give the template whatever structure you need, a title format, checklists, notes, or any other properties you usually fill out. Think of this as your master version of a recurring event. When you're done setting it up, close the template editor. Back in the calendar, click on the small arrow next to the New button. This will show you a list of templates you've created. You should see the template you just made. To quickly reuse it many times, look for 3 dots or an options menu next to the template, sometimes near a duplicate option. Click on those 3 dots and then select the template when you want to create a new occurrence. Each time you select it, Notion will create a fresh event based on that template, which you can then assign to the correct date, effectively giving you a simple recurring event system inside your Notion calendar.